Hello! Today we are making taco sausage from our cookbook, Simply Bento. This fun and cute octopus-shaped sausage is a favorite for kids, and we used it in our Halloween bento recipe for the cookbook. We are going to cut the sausage like octopus legs. Lay sausage flat on a cutting board and cut through 1/2 of the sausage lengthwise. Rotate it 90 degrees and cut the same part in half again. This makes 4 legs. The uncut part will be the head of the octopus. You can stop here or cut each leg in half to make 8 legs, depending on the size of the sausage. Heat a small frying pan and add oil and saute sausages for about 5 minutes. The cut sections should curl while cooking. You can add ketchup or sauce of choice before turning off the heat. Taco sausage is a great dish to make bento fun. Enjoy!